everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jeannide. Thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to do a black girl favorites, brown girl favorites, dark skin girl favorites, video today. So I'm just going to pretty much talk about, I guess, some popular products in the beauty community that, women of color love to use. Comment down below some, some other favorites that you guys can, I guess, think of. And let's start a conversation or whatever. I'm kind of gonna get started. I mean, I don't have that many products. I mean, honestly, there are obvious I guess black girl favorite items, like products like Fenty Beauty foundation, like the Fenty Beauty foundation, because that's of course gonna be a favorite since I guess Fenty Beauty was the first brand to really have a very broad spectrum of shades from like light to light, medium to medium dark, all that, so I was like dark, that's messed up, oh my god, but you know what I mean, like they actually had like a broad range of foundation shades for me and my melanated sisters, for myself and melanated sisters. But at the same time, I don't got a Fenty foundation. I don't have one, so I can't say me, but anywho, for my melanated sisters, okay, Rihanna got a foundation for y'all. That's what it seems like. But anywho, but what I do have though, I got the highlighter, although it's broken. I got the Mean Money and Hustler Baby Kilowatt highlighter. It's cute or whatever. It's sad to look at it. It's kind of really sad. But yeah, close. Another favorite. This is actually my favorite highlighter. I'm gonna move on to Milani girl, because Milani. This is my favorite highlighter. Okay, this is it. This is it, guys. That's it. This is the Day Glow Instant Glow Powder by Milani. It's really black girl friendly. It really is. I love this highlighter. I don't think I'll understand. I like this more than funny. I'm just saying. Anywho, so next up we have. Actually, let me talk about these. This is a huge black girl favorite. LA Girl Pro Concealers. I actually did this concealer right here. It looks dark as what, but actually it's not that dark, okay? Since I got a tan, this is what I used all over my face, guys. I finally found my foundation shade. Girl, I want you to be looking like a ghost no more, girl. Oh, this is it. I got this all over my face. This is my shade. So anywho, this is dark cocoa. You like, that's probably no dark cocoa, but that's what it says. It says dark cocoa, so whatever. And then this is what I use as a color corrector, and I have medium beige as a, I can't find it right now, but I have medium beige. But I'm not wearing it right now either, but I have medium beige as a highlighting concealer, although I don't have it on. Of course, a black girl favorite, okay? Like, honestly, it really isn't really recommended to be wearing like white based translucent powder, because flashback exists and nobody's trying to look like a ghost or have flashback. So banana powder is the way to go. So this is why I have the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. This is what I use to set my under eye and everything like under here and everywhere else I need to set, I guess. Let me tell you about these e.l.f. blushes, okay? When you're a melanated female, and if you like blush, you're gonna need something that's very pigmented, okay? Because some of these blushes out here be looking so ashy on me. Well, I wouldn't say ashy on me, but ashy on us melanated females. These blushes are so pigmented. That's all I gotta say. They're amazing, okay? And this is only like $2, and this e.l.f. like, the only reason why it's $2 is pretty much because it's fragile, I guess. Like, if you drop this once, the whole thing will just crack. And I want to say that's pretty much it, but everything will crack. I don't have it on right now. I don't really like wearing blush that much. This is a very unique product, okay, for this little black girl favorites video, because this product, well, at least to me, I haven't really seen this. I haven't really seen a lot of girls use this primer, but I like this primer. I mean, I'm not really sure if it really works as it should as a primer, but I like the glow it gives me. It's the Illuminating Glow, well, the Illuminating Face Primer by e.l.f. Especially in the summertime, girl, if you put this on underneath your makeup, like, you'll be all glittery and stuff, especially if you're going out. Like, your face will be glittery and you'll just look cute. Like, it won't look too crazy, your face won't look like a disco melanin, but it just looks really nice. Like, our melanin already pops during the summertime, but when you put this on top of it, like, it glows twice as much. So, but yeah, use it at your discretion though, because you don't want to look like a disco ball. It's true, because it does have a lot of glittery specks in it, but it's still popping. Argel, 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 Argel wispies, Argel, 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 Argel wispies, Argel wispies, Argel wispies. I have them on my lashes right now, but one lash looks better than the other. I don't know what happened. They're the same lash, okay? They came from the same pack, okay? Something just happened with this lash right here. I don't know what happened. I guess I should have fixed it before filming this video. I don't have Maybelline Fit Me right now, but it seems to be a black girl favorite, honestly. Like, I remember last year, I was watching a whole bunch of makeup tutorials, and almost every single girl in those makeup tutorials was using a Fit Me foundation. So obviously that's a favorite, okay? I don't have Maybelline Fit Me anymore. I used to, but now when I think about it, that shade probably wasn't even my shade, so it don't matter anyway. But Maybelline Fit Me foundation is definitely a black girl favorite. Definitely. It really is. Like, it's Maybelline Fit Me, Fenty, LA Girl Pro. That's probably, I think that's my top 3. Oh, and also Sacha banana powder. But I don't have Sacha though, so it's whatever. Or Benai banana powder. I mean, just any kind of banana powder, honestly. I don't know when they released this banana powder, but I think it was after all of the other ones I mentioned. So, but yeah, any kind of banana powder is a favorite, honestly. So, I think that's all I gotta say. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Deuces.